Hello viewers, how are you? Thank you all for your support. Keep supporting me. I will upload all the new content related to technology. Okay, if still you do not subscribe my channel, visit my channel, subscribe it, and thank you all. Today we will discuss how to connect Java SQL connector using Java program in Eclipse IDE. I already did it just now because doing and showing in front of you the video will be longer, so I thought I will upload it after doing the project. So I just did it. I will show you the entire details so that we will never face a problem about the connection in Java SQL. Simply to do it, go to File, click New, then click Project. If you are showing Java project, it's better to do there. Simply click on Java project. Next, you have to give a project name here. I give it connection. We'll give it anything. Okay, connection is there. Another thing to do, you have to first do one more thing. Simply go to Help, go to Eclipse Marketplace. Simply we have to install Windows Builder. Windows Builder JApplet is there and JFrame is there. Using JFrame, you will design and do the project connection. Simply search Windows Builder. Okay, I already installed it. We have to only install this. It will automatically install after click and install. Okay, simply go to that project file and you have to connect the SQL connection here. Okay, simply go to connection, click, then you have to build the path. Okay, build path, configure build path. Okay, then you have to link here SQL. Already did it. Okay, under reference library, MySQL connector.jar file will be there. Okay, simply go to, this is our main part. Simply go to connection, right click, go to new. Okay, right click, go to other. Under other, you have to go Windows Builder. See here, Windows Builder will shown. Okay, under Windows Builder, Swing Designer is there. Under JFrame is there. You have to simply click on JFrame and next. Okay, after click next, the coding will be automatically there. Okay, this code will be there. You have to change the code only, a few things to change. Before this, you have to design your project. Okay, already designed, but I tell you how to design. Simply design the registration frame. Simply you have to go to the layout as absolute and component text field. Simply click this. And you have to just click the first one, then simply copy paste to 3. Then you can edit the name as username, email, anything. But for registration or login, we have to choose J button. Okay, J button. We will show after running how this will look like. Simply click run. After run, this will simply like this. Okay, then next process is we have to go to source. Okay. The public connection, under public connection to I will show you. From there to this, it will automatically get, nothing to do here. Only sense will be from first line of code, last line of course. Okay, I will show you from where. Okay, nothing to change here. You have to change only here. Okay, simply write all these imports. Import border layout, event queue, JFrame, showing JFrame most important. Okay, everything you have to write all the line of code, JDBC for driver statement, everything. Okay, run driver manager, everything we have to write. And simply you click import Java dot, everything will be there. Simply double click it, it will automatically get public class or class name connection extend JFrame. By extending JFrame, our class will create a design process. Okay, simply private protected, nothing to change here. I will show you where to change. Okay, simply see these lines of code. Simply change your code to this line of code. Okay, our border, this may vary according to our design process. The sense is to be here. Okay, change is from here. Save button, everything simply change to here. We have to give a try block and catch block. Under try block we have to write all these codes. Okay, for get connection, simply we have to write get connection. Okay, string select and TB login. TB login is my table. Show message if arrested next. Please write all this. Login failed. To catch the exception, simply write catch exception system data out to end the process. Okay, or simply save it. Then click and run. It will exactly see your design process. If it is so, then you think your source this code is correct. Otherwise, you will check it. By this, you can connect your SQL and design your project. Thank you.